sa Lorega, Kitaw-Taw, Bukidnon. Meron daw silang strawberry garden dito at pwede daw tayong mamitas. Tara!
Arrived here at Taglucob Strawberry Hills.
And so we're gonna try their strawberry picking. We will experience strawberry picking today.
So ayan, at let's try strawberry picking po dito. According to Sir Ferdy and Ma'am Jenny, we should pick yung pulang-pula na po. Right? So, kasi daw, sweet na yan if it's very red na. Ayan. So, madali mo na lang siyang makuha. It's because ripe na talaga siya. So, this one also, let's try. So, yung very red na daw, yun yung ripe na. So, we have pick here. So, ayan. Ganito yung strawberries po dito sa Taglucob. Sobrang laki. At saka, sobrang pulang-pula na po. And if you can taste lang talaga, it's really very sweet. Ito natin. Ayan. So, pag super reddish na talaga siya, yan, siguradong matamis. So, ito na pala yung hydroponics na strawberries nila. Yung strawberries na hindi tinatanim gamit ang soil, but instead, gamit yung chicken dung, rice hull, at saka coconut husk. So as you can see, itong nasa ibaba, ito yung mga conventional na mga strawberries. Ayan. So ang lalaki ng mga dahon. Mas maganda daw pag mas marami at mas malalaki yung dahon, kasi take note that photosynthesis happens in the leaves. So gusto ni Sir Ferdy na itong mga hydroponics niya din, ganun kalalaki. So, like this. So, maliit pa siya. Gusto ni Sir Ferdy na lumaki siya. Like this one here. Bago pa bungahin. So, ano yung ginagawa ni Sir Ferdy? Nakita ko na kinukuha niya yung mga flowers. Para daw, hindi na muna mamunga. Ayaw niyang mamunga ang ganito kasi mas stress lang.
Nandito na po tayo sa glamping area ng Taglucob Strawberry Hills. So, meron po silang tagline dito. I don't camp, I glamp. So, bakit kamo glamping? Because it's a short term for glamorous camping. So, let's go!
Wow.
Kasya pull out ng mga beds. So that's good for
This is the cocoon. Welcome.
At napaka-social nga naman talaga. At very glamorous. This is grilled durian po, ang famous dito sa Taglucop, Strawberry Hills. Try natin.
more cheese.
Okay, cheers!
Cheers.
Lamig.
Lamig kayo.
So, ang sarap. Sarap niya, guys. Actually, this is my first time to try grilled durian. Napaka weird, pero promise, it's very, very delicious po.
So for this, the mix is meron po tayong creamy sweet durian and mix natin ng blue cheese which is sour and salty. Masarap na masarap yung mix din ng dalawa. They complement. So it's the worst smelling fruit according sa iba paired with the worst smelling cheese which is the blue cheese, and effect niya is different. Nagka-cancel out yung mga worst, the best would come out. Cheers!
Wow. Alright, so another unique po dito sa Taglucop Strawberry Hills is, ano po ito, sir?
So ito po yung tinatawag na nag-harvest po tayo kanina ng strawberries.
Yes.
Ito na po yung strawberries na very sweet at saka ripe talaga. Ito yung tinatawag natin na strawberry chocolate fondue. Ito po yung dark chocolate with truffles. Ito yung very sweet natin na strawberry. And this one is parang naka-boil siya. Yes. Gawin natin. So pagpili ng strawberry, mas darker, mas
Sweet.
matamis. And dip natin. Kasama po itong dahon konti. And then this one, dip. And put it here. Okay.
Let's try.
More. Kasi yung secret nito is chocolate talaga.
Ayun.
So dito rin namin ginawa po yung chocolate na ito.
Cacao.
Local na cacao po dito.
Right.
Okay?
Ayan, so
We'll try.
shall we try?
Cheers!
Cheers!
The chocolate.
Wow! Grabe! Try nyo to mga kapuso. Very, very sweet yung strawberry nila with matching chocolate dip. Napaka bongga talaga. Dito lang yan sa Taglucop Strawberry Hills. Meron pa tayong wine po.
Okay, may wine pa tayo. Ito ay strawberry ice wine.
Ayan.
Bakit ice
Narinig
wine?
ko na yan.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yung
bakit po
one of
ice
the
wine?
best sellers dito sa atin.
Mhm.
Dito natin ginawa during pandemic. This is ice wine because finish mo natin yung strawberries before they're made into wine. So it's fruity, it's medyo sweetish siya kasi ice wine nga. But something siya for you to try.
Alright, so kaya pala ice wine. Frozen yung strawberry.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ayan.
Shake, shake, shake.
And wow. Masarap siya, in fairness. So, dapat nyo talagang i-try yung ice wine at saka yung mga unique nila dito na
Yeah.
products po sa Taglucop Strawberry Hills. And so again, thank you so much po, Sir Ferdy and Ma'am Jenny.
Thank you.
Thank you for letting us experience all this only here po in Taglucop Strawberry Hills. Ayan, dito po yan sa Lorega, Kitaw-Taw, Bukidnon.
Alright, so we are having our bonfire right here sa Taglucop Strawberry Hills kami ngayon. And ito nga, pinaset up ni Sir Ferdy. Thank you so much po, Sir Ferdy and Ma'am Jenny. Napaka-generous at napaka-accommodating. Let's try their ATV for this Taglucop Strawberry Hills experience po. Pupunta tayo ng falls. We're here now at the view deck. Woo!
Our way to the falls na po. Let's go!
Tayo naririnig ko na ang chorus.
Try nyo na dito sa Taglucop Strawberry Hills. Napakaganda. Ang daming activities na pwedeng nyong gawin dito. Ayan.